What does PPC optimization actually look like on a weekly or daily basis? Most of the time, whenever someone is asking, how do I optimize my ads? They are very likely referring to how do I lower my bids so I become more profitable on Amazon, which is not the case always. The way I'm seeing optimization and how we are doing it in our agency ScaleWave when we're helping brands with Amazon ads is we are looking at the optimization process as what are the things we are going to do to achieve most effectively the goals that we have for an account. Example, if we have a goal of getting more profitable sales, the optimization process is going to be bid reduction, meaning that we are going to aim to reduce the amount we spend on advertising as much as we can, but making sure that we're not going to take away from our sales, right? So that is one of the optimization processes, that is bid reduction process. Another optimization process that can be very relevant is scaling campaigns. We want to increase revenue and optimize for that. Optimization process is making sure that if you have specific keywords that are working really well and are bringing in traffic and sales, you dominate for those specific keywords. Optimization is making sure that the placements that are performing best, we are going to apply placement multipliers, making sure that we are going to target only exact match campaigns for specific keywords. That is also optimization. And that is something you can do on a daily basis. So the easiest way you can do it on a daily basis is that open up the account and see for the last 7 days without considering the last 2 days data. For example, let's say that today is Wednesday, you're going to look up the data from Monday to last week, Monday or Sunday to Saturday. So for the last week, without including the last 2 days. And that is the most accurate data that we are going to optimize for, right? This is something that you can do on a daily basis. The way you're going to do it on a daily basis is simply accountability on looking into, okay, yesterday I created these campaigns, I optimized these campaigns, I made these changes. How did it perform? Did it brought the results that I was looking into? And yes, you might be saying that because attribution is missing, it's going to give you maybe false positives and so on. But what you're looking for, if the goal for the campaign was to bring additional clicks, so you're going to at least have an idea, how do you convert for specific keywords? Optimization process must kick in right away, because if you're not getting impressions, you have to increase your bids.